Special announcement. This is to inform the general public for information and guidance that His Excellency the Executive Governor Dr. Dauda Lawal has approved the appointment and reconstitutions of chairmen, board members and management of 22 key Zamfara state government agencies, commissions and parastatals as follows. Teacher Service Board, Aliyu Muhammad Anka as Executive Chairman, Lubabatu Amani Member, Luba Ibrahim Tunek Aura Member, Lare Musa Member, Muhammad Bashar Bawa Member. Part-time members of Teacher Service Board will be drawn from the Minister of Education, Principal of a school under the board, Scholarship Board, Anti-Corruption Commission, Faculty of Education, Zamfara State University, College of Education, Maru, Zamfara State University, Talatan Mafara. Civil Service Commission, Alhaji Aliyu Tukur E.S. Talatan Mafara as Chairman. Full-time members of the Commission include Hajiya Dija Muhammad, Abakar Labos Afe, Honorable Salihu Usman Zurmi, Shehu Fada. Hajj Commission, Alhaji Musa Mallaha Gusau, Executive Chairman. Full-time members include Alhaji Abakar Bargaja Gumi, Alhaji Ilyasu Buhari Mejega, Alhaji Qasim Muhammad Safe, Alhaji Haruna Abdullahi Nasara Godal, as well as Malam Bello Isa Al-Mufti. Part-time members of the Hajj Commission include Sa'idu Aliyu Maikwano, Sheikh Musa Kanoma, Sheikh Umar Hassan, Sanusi Sarkin Malam Mai Mafara, Bello Ahmad Zauma, Malam Kabiru Maru, Sheikh Mansur Makaranta, Malam Abul Mustafa, Ayuba Salihu Gumi, Ahmad Koren Ganuwa, Badamasi Da Ahmadu, Ubaida Shehu, Saratu Suleiman Anka, Salisu Bello Shahidi, Alhaji Ali Namoda, Musa Ibrahim Maradun, Da Ashibi Shinkafi, and Alhaji Abubakar Iyar Rawaya as part-time members. Local Government Service Commission has Aminu Aliyu Mafara as Executive Chairman. Members of the commissions include Bello Tudu Gumi, Anas Ilyasu Birninsin, Husaina Sani Muhammad, Malam Jafar Umar Kaura, Aminu Atiku, Usman Yusuf Anka, while Shafi Bukhari will serve as Secretary and Legal Advisor of Local Government Service Commission. Zamfara Primary Health Care Development Agency has Kabiru Ahmad Janyau as Chairman. Members of the commission will be drawn from the following areas: Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health; Permanent Secretary, Ministry for Local Government Affairs; Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Finance; Permanent Secretary, Budget and Economic Planning; Permanent Secretary, Women Affairs; Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Justice; Chairman, Hospitals Management Board; one local government chairman from each of the senatorial zone; Chairman, Council of Chiefs, and Emir of Anka, Sarkin Zamfara Alhaji Attahiru Muhammad Ahmad as members. Nigeria Medical Association, National Association of Nurses and Midwives, Nigeria Medical and Health Workers, Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria, Dr. Tukur Adamu, Aisha Tukur Haidara, Yahaya Shantali Anka, while Dr. Usaini Yakubu will serve as Executive Secretary and Chief Executive of Zamfara Primary Healthcare Development Agency. Zamfara State Hospital Services Management Board, Dr. Umar Muhammad Maru will serve as Chairman. Members of the board include Dr. Murtala Jangebe, Muhammad Dambaba Kaura, Balkisu Bello, while the permanent secretaries of the following will serve also as members: Ministry of Health, Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Finance, Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Justice, Director Medical Services, Ministry of Health, Chief Executive, College of Nursing and Midwifery, while Al-Mustafa Abdul Qadir Mafara will serve as Executive Secretary. Zamfara Zakat and Endowment Board has Sheikh Ahmad Umar Kanoma as Chairman. Members of the Zakat and Endowment Board include Isa Gwale from Anka, Sani Salihu from Benin Magaji, Salmanu Abdulsalam Watarkwashi from Punkudu, Shu'aib Umar from Bukuyum, Lawali Launi Gumi, Kabiru Majidadi Kuriya from Kaura, Sani Muhammad Kadauri Maru, Dama Gamagiwa Maradun, Kasim Naya Dan Kurmi Maru, Sani Abba Shinkafi, Abakar Sadiq Mafara from Mafara, Garba Franchas from Safi, Masoud Dauran from Zurmi, Muhammad Adamu from Gusau, Aliyu Makwasha Moriki from Zurmi, Shu'aibu Muhammad from Bakura, Abdul Rahman Al-Zamfari from Bungudu, Ismail Mai Arewa, Al-Hassan Gumi, and Alhaji Bala Kantin Sauki, while Habibu Balarabi will serve as the Secretary of the Board. Hizbah Commission has Sheikh Umar Hassan as Executive Chairman. Permanent Commissioners of Hizbah Commission include Anas Al-Burda, Kabiru Garba Gusau, Ibrahim Labbayashi, Faruk Usman Kaura, Abubakar Dauda Pass, Abu Namalam Birnin Magaji, while part-time members of Hizbah Commission include Bello Jambako, Bello Premier, Muhammad Hassai, Abakar Salihu Birnin Wajji, Kabiru Takachemi, Nasiru Musa Tsafi, Muazu Ibrahim Jabaka, Muntaka Nazauma, Suleiman Yahuza and Adamu Gumi, while Abdullahi Suleiman Danrini will serve as the Secretary of Zamfara State Hizba Commission. Zamfara Emergency Management Agency, His Excellency the Executive Deputy Governor Malam Mani Malam Mumuni as Chairman, Secretary to the State Government member. The members of the agency will be drawn from the following ministries: Ministry of Work, State Fire Service, Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, Ministry of Environment, Nigerian Police, Federal Road Safety Commission, Civil Defense Corps, and Red Cross Society, while Ambassador Ahmad Bala will serve as the Executive Secretary of the agency. Zamfara Road Traffic Agency, Zarota, Alhaji Abubakar Melambu Kauran Namoda, Chairman, Muhammad Bello Ataka, Commander. The following will be drawn from the following representatives: Commissioner of Police, Ministry of Works, Ministry of Justice, representative from the Ministry of Environment, representative from the National Union of Road Transport Workers, representative from the National Amalgamated Commercial Motorcycle Owners and Riders Association, representative from the Ministry for Local Government, representative of Bauchi Local Government Chairman, representative of Nigeria Legion, representative of the Federal Road Safety Commission, while the Secretary will be drawn from the Ministry of Justice, who will serve as the Secretary and Legal Advisor. Zamfara Drugs and Medical Consumables Management Agency has pharmacist Isaac Ibrahim as Chairman. Members of the agency include Director Pharmaceutical Services from the Ministry of Health, Director Medical Services, Ministry of Health, representatives of the following bodies: Ministry of Health, Ministry of Justice, Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning, Ministry of Information and Culture, Traditional Herbalists, and then representatives from the following bodies. From the pharmacy, we have pharmacist Muhammad Isa Gusau. From nursing, we have Hosseini Ishara. While from the doctors, we have Dr. Nasir Gumi. While pharmacist Sani Bello Bungudu will serve as the Executive Secretary. Zamfara Contributory Health Management Agency has Dr. Ahmad Muhammad Keku as Chairman. Members of the agency will be drawn from the following representatives: Ministry of Health, Office of the Head of Service, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning, Ministry of Justice, Council of Ulamas, National Health Insurance Scheme State Branch, Nigeria Labour Congress, Trade Union Congress, Nigeria Medical Association, Medical and Health Workers Association, National Association of Nurses and Midwives, Zamfara State Chapter, Civil Society Organizations, Aisha A. Ajia, Engineer Sani Mustafa, and Muhammad Suraju, while Dr. Ibrahim Halilu will serve as the Secretary of Zamfara Contributory Health Management Agency. Zamfara Farmers Supply Company has Abu Bawa as Executive Secretary. Zamfara Housing Corporation has Dr. Jamilu Jabu Magayakin Kaura as the Managing Director. Zamfara Agricultural Development Agency has Abubakar Sani Haidara as Executive Secretary, while Zamfara Media Corporation has Bello Abdullahi Gusau as Managing Director. Arabic and Islamic Education Board has Dr. Aminu Umar Gumi as Executive Secretary. Zamfara Environmental Protection Agency has Engineer Muhammad Zingina as Executive Secretary. Zamfara Secondary School Management Board has Hajia Hawa Kulana Ala as Executive Chairperson. Bureau of Public Procurement has Engineer Bashar Galadima as Director General. Agency for Mass Education has Jare Audu as Executive Secretary, while Zamfara Investment Promotion Agency has Mariam Yaro as Executive Secretary. Abubakar M. Nakwada, Secretary to the State Government, announcer.